Hey, Greg Davis here at Strosnider Chevrolet. Look guys, I've been in this industry for well over 30 years. I've been at Strosnider Chevrolet for 12, 13 years. When we're out in the service department, one of the most common questions we get is, what part should I use? Why do I have to replace that part? Why am I needing to replace it with a GM certified part? And will it cost more to do that? Let me tell you, actually you're going to save money. You'll save money a couple of ways. First of all, you know it's going to fix your problem. Second of all, it's going to be a lot less labor involved using the right part and not trying to go through many different parts to come up with your solution. The other thing is you're going to be warranted on it, so we've got your back on that. And George, what do you say?
We got the best parts at the right price. Genuine General Motors products.
So really what you're looking at doing when you use a new GM certified part is saving money, not spending extra money.
Strosnider Chevrolet, where nobody treats you better.